just want to give you an update on the JsInRust project. And this particular example here is the AI conversation script on top of the Fungible Token contract, because this is what this project started with, JavaScript inside Rust standard contract. So you have both the Fungible Token, you have the non-fungible token contract, there's Web 4, many different examples in here. And also you just have quick JS inside Rust for WebAssembly if you want that kind of usage scenario. And what you can do in this example is to start a conversation, which we'll call this start AI conversation, and transfer some Arise tokens to this Arise credits contract, because the token we are using now is this Arise credits. We can look it up here at Nearblocks. Just let us see. So here you can see this symbol here. And what we'll do now is to start the conversation. So we click the start conversation button, and that should call the call JS function, which we should now be able to see if the Nearblocks is up to date. Might take some time. Here you can see call JS function. We can see that it called start AI conversation, and which is this one. As you can see, it transfers some tokens. Then we should be able to go back here and say, hello, how are you? And we just ask the AI, and of course it doesn't have feelings and all that. And now we are done with our conversation, so we want to refund the unspent tokens, because we can see here that calling this function actually led to transferring quite a bit of funds. So if we go back again and see the token transaction here, we can see that it was 128 Arise tokens deducted, and now we want to refund what we have not spent. So we will click the stop conversation and refund tokens. And then it goes to this AI proxy. This is a proxy to the OpenAI API, and it will then get a signed message that it will send to the Fungible Token contract. And as you can see here, we now got a little less than 128 in return. Just look at this function that is called for refunding unspent. So because this comes from the AI proxy, which the source is also in here, you can have a look at that. That's also a very interesting showcase of WebAssembly component model, and actually deployed as a WebAssembly container. We'll talk about, you can read about that in my book actually. Here you can see it's refunding the unspent. It's validating the signature, and if the signature from this AI proxy is valid, it will send the amount in return. And we should also be able to see that here in Nearblocks that we got refunded this unspent tokens. And so talking about the future for the this project, one use case is of course here with AI conversation, and what I'm working on right now is to also support all the tool calls. And since we have this JavaScript engine, we can use this AI to generate code to be executed inside that JavaScript engine, because JavaScript inside WebAssembly, we can sandbox it, we can restrict what that JavaScript can do, and then we can actually trust code generated by AI, and we can execute it in the web browser. We can also create code to be used in this JsInRust smart contract. We can execute code inside the smart contracts generated by AI. So these are some of my next planned initiatives for this project. And yeah, thank you for watching this little update video. See you later.